So good morning to one and all. So in this video, we'll be discussing about few swing trading stocks so that we can hold for the coming days or weeks. So we'll try to discuss the complete technical point of view, and according to that, you can hold it for a certain period of time, and even you can carry forward that to long term as well. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide the link in the description. So the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be JWL. So I think this particular stock, many people might be knowing by the name itself, Jupiter Wagons. So we know in which category does it belong, and recently also similar to this company, we have also seen Titagar Vegans. That also has given a very good move, TWL. So these are very good companies, especially whether it is related to metros or whatever the developments which are happening. So these particular stocks have given some very good returns. So if you see the stock movement also, firstly, if you see on larger time frame, continuously it was going upside, upside and upside. Recently, because of elections also, it gave a good buying opportunity around 500 rupees level. There we have seen a big hammer type of a pattern. So now if you try to observe and plot all the technical levels, so first and foremost thing you can say this was a very important resistance, 684 rupees level. So today, I mean, previously also after a good breakout, now it is trying to sustain above it. Still, it is not completed. So the pattern that is being formed here, clearly you can see a gravestone type of doji is being formed here. Gravestone doji. From the top, we are seeing a ceiling. So when these types of patterns are formed, generally it tries to retest here and then bounce back, or some selling might come even till this particular level around 650 and 600. If a rigorous downside selling is there, so then those levels might be possible. So my personal suggestion is you can accumulate this particular stock till this base 600 rupees level. Only for long-term point of view, you can invest in this particular stock. So this is the one level, right? So if it sustains above 684 today itself, and if it closes above it, so then you can initiate a small buy position with small amount of capital. And once it breaks the high of this level, right, 628, then easily you can expect it will continue that upside momentum. So my personal target for this particular stock would be around 1,000 rupees in the midterm. So this is my personal target of 1,000 rupees. So that can be easily achieved. So you need to have some patience and hold it. And for swing trading point of view, 800 can be seen. So if it respects this particular level and if it sustains, then 800 can be easily observed in the stock, right? So this is the first stock that I wanted to discuss. So the second stock that I have put in my radar is Hudco. So this particular stock already to the premium members have given, and already we are in profits around here itself. We have discussed around somewhere around 260, somewhere we have created a buy position. So now if you observe Hudco stock, so this was also consolidating in a very tight range. If you observe here, continuously it was okay struck in this particular range itself. If you see for a certain period of time, continuously it was struck in this particular range, and it was facing the resistance, again coming down, took a support, again it went up. After it has finally come above that particular range, after the elections itself, we have seen it sustained very well. So now coming to the most important thing, when to buy this particular stock. So my personal suggestion is to buy this particular stock, you can buy above 300. So only above 300, if it sustains there, you can go for a buying level, keeping a strict stop loss below 272. So if it sustains 272 also, either it can consolidate here between these two zones, whatever you mark, it can consolidate here. And if it is breaking 272, we might see a selling till 250. But my personal view is this is a very good pick for long-term point of view. So this is not a swing trading pick or anything. Just for long-term point of view, you can hold this for easy target of 500. 500 can be easily observed in the long term. So just need to have that holding capacity and holding it for certain longer duration, right? So that is this is actually a very good company, and recently also a very good update was seen related to the construction of 3 crore houses. So this particular infra sector and in that itself, housing development companies might get a very good benefit as well. So keep this stock in radar, and this can give a good move. So currently it is little going in a sideways direction, but once it gives a breakout, you can create a buy position. So keep these two stocks in radar, and any further queries you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for watching.